Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is.
Hi guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Aska Akinyi. A very warm welcome to this channel, guys. If you're new, karibu tena sana. If you're coming back again, thank you so much guys for coming back again. You guys are just amazing. Thank you so much for watching my ads. Thank you so much. You guys are mwah. And thank you for the new subscribers. We have a lot of new subscribers in the house. Mumekaribishwa tena sana. You guys are amazing. So guys, in today's vlog, it's about shop and cook vlog for us guys. So let me just go straight to the haul. Behind me are my babies. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so these are my babies guys. So let me just take you through the things that I've just bought. So I have some heart cake over here. I have some books for Ashlyn. Yeah, I think I had a lot of them. Yeah, so I have this one for us for dinner. I have beef, and I've even noticed beef in supermarket is affordable than beef in the local butchery. So I have serviettes. There was no serviette. I have kiberiti over here. I have these Royco cube, the red ones. I have only one. I have three apples. And I have some mala over here. So these ones I have 4 of them. I have mala. Oops. I also have some soap. I've never bought this one, by the way, bathing soap. So I decided to pick different types so that I can know which one is good. It was on offer, by the way. That is why I picked it. It's called Milele bathing soap. So I picked 3. So I have Mount Kenya milk over here, and I picked 5 of them. So these days we normally do maziwa ya ATM. Yeah. So these ones are just like for Okwa Jahazi. The days I've not bought maziwa ya ATM, but we have this one here. So sorry about that guys. So I have some pieces of tissues over here, and this one 3 of them. I think 2 or 3. Last time I gave you one, right? So 2 of them I'm going to give Pal and then now Shule. So I bought Captain cooking oil 1 liter, and this one was on offer. You guys, you know how these salads are always expensive. It was 550 and now it was on offer. They were selling it at 275, and I was like, why not? So guys, let me just tell you, by the way, you remember the last month, the shopping that I did, I said that I want to use 3 liters imalize 1 month, and trust you me, I still have like a liter. If not a liter, is something close to a liter. So meaning last month I've only used 2 liters. It has never happened to me, by the way. It has never happened. I normally use 5, 6 or 7 liters a month. Yes, honestly speaking, yes. If I've used oil, cooking oil so well, I normally use 5 liters. But now the one that is left plus this one, and then you know this one was Nashika food so nicely. So I have this one. I want to feel it. Like I want to feel. I've never used this type of cooking oil, so I want to feel that one. It was on offer. And then I have this one, some quickies for my babies. I only picked one because we normally, the food that we eat, we normally eat all of us. Like this one is just like a quick one. So I picked one. I have some extra yogurt. So I picked 3 for the 3 of us. Yeah, I have some books for Pearl here. So they requested me to buy her some books. So I have some 200 pages, 4 books, and a drawing book over here. These ones she will go with them to school tomorrow. So Pearl has been using a very bad tin, the one she started school with. Yeah, so I have this one for her. Mama, I have this one for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
My friend has this.
Your friend has that. So I have some Prestige margarine, and the vanilla flavor one is normally good. So I have Msafi. I didn't find my Clean Soft and I opted to just pick one Msafi because I'm a Clean Soft fan, so I didn't want to. And also this one is 120 and Clean Soft is normally 90 bob. So I just decided to pick this one so that I'll do laundry. But there is still some Ariel soap in the house, powdered soap. I normally use powdered soap only to do my laundry because I machine wash. So I have sugar 2 kgs and this one is just enough for us. 2 kgs are enough. So I only have one unga because I still have some. Jana, I bought one unga. I think 2 is enough for us, unless otherwise. So I just bought one raha. Mama, can I have some bites? So I had some mahamris over here for my babies. They love mahamris. Oh my god. They love them. Sorry about that. So I have Weetabix here. I've noticed since Lou is not in the house fully, she's not taking Weetabix that much. So I only bought 5 pieces of this vanilla Weetabix. And then vanilla Weetabix just tastes yummy. Oh my god, guys. So I have a Remis. As usual, this house we normally use a Remis. So I have this one. The one we had is completely finished. I normally use glycerin in my lotions and the one I had completely finished. So I have, this one is enough for me like 2 months. This small one, yeah. So guys, I had said I'm not going to buy spices, but I have some spices here, so I decided to buy the spices. So I have garlic powder over here, I have garam masala here, and I have mixed spices over here. So I bought these 3. I want to try spices and see if I will love the food. Yeah, so I have those ones, and as usual I have the Soft Care Premium. Yeah, this is what Louis normally use. Yeah, I have that one. And lastly, the things I've bought in the supermarket, I have this butter toast bread. This one, it's the best. Like, even the texture, I just love it. So guys, that is it about the things nimetoka nazo supermarket. So let me just show you the things nimetoka nazo kwa soko, just the mamboga mbogas that will help us. Yeah, basically guys, these are the things that I've just bought. As kidogo as this. Louis, what are you doing? What are you doing? Honestly.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette.
Yeah, so guys, we are here as Pearl is just helping me to wash the beef so that she can put it on fire. Yeah, because that is the dinner we are taking and we want to eat quick. So I have spinach over here. Actually, this one I bought it in the supermarket. And over here I have some cabbages. I have 1 cabbage, like 1. I have 1 cabbage. This one I've just bought it 80 bob. This one I've bought it 32 shillings. And then I have this. I have these spring onions, these ones. Hey, you guys, the onions are expensive, but they are dirty. I have to wash them. So these ones are for 50 shillings. So I love the smell. Oh my god, like I just want to clean them and then store them in the fridge. You will see how I'm going to store them. So guys, trust you me, I've never tried to cook broccoli. So this Charlie that has just sold me these things just gave me this. I told him that I've never tried to cook broccoli, so I don't know, and we are just us.
Mom,
so
broccoli is not for cooking.
It is for
Without cooking.
no.
Let me see it. It smells yummy.
So I'll try and just look for a recipe and just try to cook this broccoli. Ikikuwa tamu, then I'll just be cooking it for my babies. Then we have some bishiris over here. These ones were going for 30 bob. This one he just gave me as a kiongezo, yes. Then I have this one. I normally love red and yellow pepper. Like, look at that. They are so fresh and they are so big and I love them. Oh my god. So I have, yes, weka kwa moto.
Hii niangalie. Hii.
Leta kiberiti.
Galui.
Iva ukunywe.
Uzena?
Tafuta vile unaweza ilala. Where if you're in Utawala, I'll just advise you to buy your meat in the supermarket, because in the supermarket a kg is going for 530 and outside here a kg is going for 600 shillings. Like, this one is for 285 bob and it's a lot of meat, by the way, compared to outside. Yeah, so as I was saying, I have some lemons here. This one I've bought them 10 bob. Sijaenda kwa soko, guys. I didn't go to the bigger market, just outside along the road. So apple shooters, like when you're in Naivas, there are some vehicles there that they normally sell good things. So I have hohos, green hohos for me. Like me, I love green hohos compared to these ones. So I have this one for 30 shillings and this one will last us. So I have some potatoes here, and this one they were selling them for me at 200 shillings. So I took two 2 kgs one. So there is this one, there's another one here. So let me just put it there. So I only have one kitungu saumu and a piece of ginger. I want to blend these ones. So I have some carrots here. These ones he was selling them for me at 70 shillings. These ones. And this one will last us for quite some time. So these ones were going for 70 shillings. And then I have more potatoes over here. And some pepper. I have some peppers down there like this one. So guys, these are the things, by the way, that I've just come in with. Yeah, I want to clean them and just arrange them with you guys as our beef is cooking. Mom, utafunika? Funika kwa bag. Take some tissues. How many should I give you? Go put it kwa bathroom yako. And then come take it to my bathroom, then pick the rest.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking. time for regrets. I've been flying
So my baby girl pal is so big, she was just helping mommy around to store as I was just feeling the tins.
from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
I bought these jars in Kamkunji and they were going for 100 bob each, and when you bought 3 of them they were selling them at 80 shillings each. 3 of them were costing 240, and I saw that this was quite a deal by the way, and I wanted them for my snacks.
We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show.
So after arranging my supermarket stuffs, I went ahead to just arrange my Soko stuffs, and here I was just trying to put all of them into place, and the washable ones I stored them wash in my fridge.
Any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe.
Since I did not have much time to just allow the vegetables to dry, I decided to just wipe them with a clean towel, clean kitchen towel.
Trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
The exact thing that I'm doing here, I'm just placing some paper towel in my tins, and then I'll just be storing all the vegetables that I have in the fridge using the tins. With my vegetables, I love washing vegetables and fruits using vinegar water. Yeah, so I feel good when I use vinegar water because I feel like it kills germs. Nothing is beautiful like when you just wrap all the things that you're storing in your fridge and also put them in the tins, because it gives you some humble time and your fridge is clean 24/7, and I love it. So guys, here we are. My baby girl is just helping me to peel off all these onions. Yeah, because they have so much work and I want to peel them, all of them, wash them, dry them, and then store them in the fridge as they are just ready to use.
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every
So for those ones who don't know, the reason as to why I'm putting some paper towel down below my tins is because paper towels helps to absorb excessive water, and so your fruits and your vegetables will remain fresh for a longer period of time. Due to background noise and music, guys, I had to do a voiceover. So what I was saying here is, when I want to keep the mishiris for a very long time, I just store them dry. So these ones I did not wash. I wanted to keep them dry so that they can stay longer. With our pilipilis called pepper, I stored them in this small tin because, guys, I told you everything in the fridge, I have to put them in a tin. So guys, back for dinner, we are going to prepare some beef over here, and Pal was the one who has just been helping mommy. Mama, thank you. Yeah, so she's cutting some. Louis, come mama. Louis hata amechoka. She's cutting some onions. Aweke haya, mwaga ndani onions sasa. Wekelea ndani, weka ndani.
Yeah.
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 Okay, so guys, we are going to use some masalas in our food. This one is mixed spices. No, we're not going to use that one. So I'm going to use some garam masala in our beef, but kidogo, because my kids are eating the food. Yeah, put. Then Pal is going to just one. You have picked one. No, one. We can't eat a lot of spices because of the baby. Yeah, bring one.
Hey, Mom.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes. You've added one.
Mom.
And we've also added in some garlic powder. So we've just added Royco cube, garlic powder, and some garam masala. Mixed spices we're not going to use. You guys, like, now you just want to see me cooking with spices, and I'm like, garam masala, so I want to buy some spice just by the way.
Mama.
That's why nimenunua spices. Woi Louis. Anazimwaga. Ziweke hapa mama. Weka hapa. Weka hapa. Weka zote hapa. Hapa. Eat mama. Onja. The way that food is yummy. Oh my god. So guys, we're going to eat dinner, and we have decided we're not going to eat rice and beef. We're going to eat indomie. So Pala ameniambia amekawia bila kukula indomie. I just cook indomie with beef. Yeah, and we are just us, by the way. We're just us, so we don't mind cooking indomie with beef. inakaa yummy. So guys, our food is ready, and we have here some Indomie. Where's for Louis? Ikikutosha unasema. Yeah, bring yours. So guys, for my freezer it is empty. We have some last month's green camandes and yellow beans. And then for my fridge, this is what we have. We have mala and milk here. We have some green peppers, yellow peppers, some apple and lemon here. These ones are our onions, spring onions. Then here is our leftover kamande. These are our cabbages, more onions. These are carrots. These are mbishiris. These 2 packs mbishiris. This one here is blended tomatoes. These ones are chilies. And this one broccoli, extra cabbage, and some tomatoes. Yeah, and that is it about my fridge. This is it. So guys, we have come to an end of the video.
Okay.
Hi guys. Hata amenichanganya. So guys, we have come to an end of the video. Guys, we are done with dinner. Yeah, we normally don't sleep this late. Actually, it's 10 p.m. I just want to change Louis diaper, and then we sleep. Yeah, Pal is already asleep, by the way. So this is what I normally do, by the way. I love sleeping. Like, as you can see, everything is just clean in here. Utensils are clean, so this is where I place them. Zito imagine them in the morning. I normally arrange them, but with this one, since I'm going to work in the morning, I normally arrange them when I come back in the evening. Yeah, unless I'm not going out. So guys, that is it. Yes, I know it's not easy. It's not easy handling kids, handling so many things alone. But guys, you can just do it. Yeah, you can do it. It's not easy, by the way, but you can do it. So guys, I've just arranged everything. We are done, and we are going to sleep, guys. Good night, you guys. I hope you have enjoyed and be motivated, you guys. I hope you've learned 1 or 2 things. Yes. And actually, by the way, that is it about everything, guys. And bye. Let me now dress Louis, and then I can just change to my PJs. What? Want some nyon? Nyon? Want some nyon? Tell them bye. Tell them hi, guys. Tell them hi, guys. So guys, bye.